Angle parking is commonly found in parking lots and on wide streets in certain communities. To start, indicate your intention to park and reduce your speed. Check for approaching traffic from both the front and rear. Approach the parking space, maintaining a distance of approximately 1 vehicle width from the parked cars. When the front bumper of your vehicle aligns with the driver's side rear bumper of the parked car, begin turning the steering wheel sharply to the right while slowly moving towards the center of the parking space. Remember to check both sides as you maneuver into the parking space to avoid colliding with neighboring vehicles. Once your vehicle is centered within the parking space, straighten your wheels and continue driving forward until you are fully parked. It's important to note that while parking is relatively simple, reversing out from this position can be risky. Perform a shoulder check to assess the sides and rear. Avoid solely relying on your rear view mirror. Ensure that the area behind you and on both sides is clear before reversing. If your view is obstructed, such as by a parked truck next to you, proceed with caution while moving backward and remain vigilant for pedestrians or vehicles that may not be immediately visible.